In this video, I will be installing Postgres into a Kubernetes cluster using the official Helm chart and a Postgres exporter to export metrics to Prometheus. So let's start by creating the Kubernetes cluster. I know that this will require 2 nodes, so I'm creating the cluster with 2 nodes. Now that the cluster has been created, let's install Prometheus. Prometheus has completed installing. Let's connect to the Prometheus UI and have a look. So this is the Prometheus UI. We can look at the targets. Once we install the new Prometheus exporter, there should be a second entry under Kubernetes service endpoints. Now let's install the Postgres and Postgres exporter Helm charts. I'm using Helm version 2.16.9. If you're using Helm version greater than 3, the commands will have to be slightly modified. Since this is an RBAC cluster, role-based access control, we need to run these commands. We should now be able to install Postgres. This is the repository which holds the Postgres Helm chart. So let's add it. And now let's install Postgres. Okay, so it's version 11.8. If it takes time to be created, you can describe the pod. Okay, so it has been created. Now let's install the Postgres exporter Helm chart. So this is a command to do that. Here you can see it sets a couple of annotations. So this annotation, prometheus.io/scrape equals true, tells Prometheus to scrape this particular pod, and this annotation tells Prometheus which port to scrape. These are required to tell Postgres exporter which secret contains the Postgres password, and of course this is the host. We also need this flag so that we use a development version of the Postgres exporter, since the version that added the capability of reading Postgres password from a secret was 0.6.2. We need to make sure that the version that was installed is greater than 0.6.2. So here you can see it's 0.8, which is fine. So Postgres exporter has now been installed. Let's have a look at the logs. This shouldn't be a problem for our purposes. Okay, so let's have a look at the Prometheus UI. Here you can see there's a new service endpoint, and it's the Postgres exporter. So let's check if this metric is available. And it is. So the exporter has been successfully installed, and Prometheus is scraping the metrics provided by the exporter.